Through the labyrinth, I roam, walking a path to redemption. A path that pulls me forward like the river's current. I follow the red thread as it leads away, tangled but unraveling with every step, just like the thoughts in my head. I finally let go and put my trust in the trail. My eyes comfortably start to wander. They trace the lines of the wrinkled crevices as I get lost in the memory of you. Like gray matter, here I'm safe. I can stay lost. What's not lost on me is the idea of being new. So I block out my senses. I'm in the labyrinth's embrace. Its warm, pink hues dance on my skin. I let my fingers trace its curves, but the curves that lead the way have also led me astray. I've been deceived, captivated by the image I wanted to see. I live inside the mirror. Whatever it sees, it swallows. But outside of my reflection, I'm no longer hollow. I'm just another piece, thrown into a sea of fragments. But I'm not like the rest. My wrinkles, they tell a different story. Though I exist among the crowd, blending in without a sound, I have my variations in the ripples of your imagination. I watch the fleeting travelers move along. They don't know the secrets I carry, weighing down on me, a heavy cloud. I've seen it all. Dismay and amazement, anger and anxiety, excitement and pain. But I'm numb. I'm just an observer. Seasons don't change me. I keep their pleas within my walls, absorbing every sound with each decibel that rings. I consume their vices. I melt and disperse like ice cream, dripping down pavement on a hot day. I drown their sorrows in my sweet pink skin. Reflect within me, and I'll reflect back onto you, showing you the image that you want to see. Now, an illusion created by your reality, one that you manipulate. I'm nobody and everybody.